Hello, this is James, and I normally start my YouTube videos by saying I'm back in the shop again, but can't do it this time because I don't have a shop. If you've seen any of my videos, you know I had a wonderful shop detached in Colorado Springs, but my family, my son's family and my daughter's family both moved to the Seattle area. And so even during COVID, we decided to move, and we've moved from Colorado Springs across the country to a new home near Seattle. So we're in a very rural part of the state. We're not in the city. I have 5 acres again, but because of Washington State, most of my 5 acres has been declared wetlands or critical areas for animals. So we only really have about 1.5 acres that we can use. So I will be showing you an area that I'd like to make into a shop. By moving from Colorado to Washington near one of the big hubs of technology, we were only able to buy half the size house for twice the price. So now I have to turn a garage and an attached room into a new workshop. But up here, we've been here for about 3 months. I've been unable to get any tradespeople up here to be able to help me wire the new shop. I have tools that require 220, 20 amp circuits. But finally I found someone to come out. They're coming out next week, and we'll begin the renovation of the garage into a new workshop. We're gonna be insulating the garage door. We're gonna be installing new lights. We're gonna be putting shelves up for storage. We're going to be creating a new CNC table that can fold up and get out of the way because I don't have a lot of real estate this time. All this stuff we're going to be doing in this space, which I'm going to change the camera angle and show you. Stand by. This is kind of an unusual day in Washington. It's sunny today. And we haven't seen the sun in almost 3 weeks, and it's been raining nearly every day. So this is going to be quite a change for us. So that's the driveway I just walked up. By the way, that's the first remodeling we've done. When we moved in, it was just dirt driveway, and we were bringing all sorts of stuff into the house. So anyway, here is the garage, and this is the room attached to the garage. And like I said, we had a house that was twice as big. So even though we've been getting rid of stuff on a regular basis, the garage is still stuffed with stuff. A lot of it's my tools, but a lot of it is not. So we're going to be getting rid of more stuff and basically turn this place into a workable workshop. I've bought the insulation for the garage door, which we're going to be starting put up. I'm going to be putting electrical outlets along this wall so that I can put my table saw here, the dust collection further down. There is a nice workbench back there buried somewhere, but this is the room attached. In the plans for the house, the house was built in 2012. In the plans for this house, it was decked out as a music room, but right now it is nothing but wall-to-wall storage for all the stuff we have to get rid of. But I got a delivery from Home Depot. I got a bunch of plywood and a bunch of 2x4. And one of the first things is I'm going to be building shelves that start over the fridge and the freezer and go along the wall, and I'm going to be taking these shelves down and then run a shelf all the way across the ceiling so that we can put all of these tubs, that we have tubs full of stuff that we're going to keep. We're going to be storing it along the ceiling. We're going to do a lot of innovative ways to save real estate in this space. Well, hello again. I'm back, and it's several months later than the video you just watched. We've been very busy getting used to our new home. I'm proud to say that my wife and I have both gotten our second COVID vaccine as of a month ago. So we're coming to the end of our dark tunnel. And a little bit of work has been going on in the garage to turn it into a shop. So let me turn the camera around and I'll begin to tell you about it. So as you can see, I've got a lot more room now in the garage than I had the last video a couple of months ago. We've been donating things to a charitable foundation in Monroe, Washington, and selling some things and giving some things away. And in the meantime, I actually was able to insulate the garage door. It is right now about 40 degrees outside, and a month ago it would have been 40 degrees in here. But right now it's, as you can see on my thermometer, it is about 61 degrees in here. It's very comfortable. I'm very happy it turned out that way. The other thing I did since the last time you were with me is I installed 9 more LED lights out here. It was really dim and dingy. I'm gonna have to take care of these dangling cords, but right now it's as well lit as I want to make it. And then you can see along the ceiling over there, I've started building the shelves, which are gonna hold the tubs of things that we're gonna save. And when I say tubs, I mean tubs. We have tubs of tubs. And so that'll be going up on those shelves there, the things we want to save. And then in this room, a lot of this stuff is going to be stored on those shelves as well. And then this room will be part of the workshop using equipment that doesn't require major dust collection, maybe just using industrial vacuum cleaners. Like my CNC machine will have a cyclone and an industrial vac, and then the drill press, and I don't know, maybe some other things, maybe a drawing table. So that'll about wrap up this video. I hope you can come back and join me in the journey that I'm going to take building new shop equipment and turning this into a real workable shop. So come back, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time in the shop.